Welcome to our comprehensive guide on managing corporate client accounts and invoices on Logistifie. Today, we'll walk you through accessing and editing client information, generating invoices, and handling bookers, passengers, addresses, and affiliates. Let's get started. First, from the main dashboard, go to Clients at the top and select Corporate. In the Corporate Account Summary, scroll through the table to find the account you want to manage. Click on the account to access its details. To edit account information, click on the Edit button. Here, you can update details like the account name, email address, and address. Click Submit. Then you can copy the email address and head to the Login Sign-up page to log in with the updated credentials. On the new dashboard, use the search bar to find upcoming bookings. You can refine your search using specific dates in the From and To columns. Additionally, filter bookings by category, including unallocated, cancelled, allocated, accepted, on way, arrived, and POB. At the top, select Today or Completed to view bookings in these categories. For invoice management, go to the dispatch system and click on Finance, then select Invoice Summary. Choose the date and client name to view invoice details. To generate a new invoice, click Generate Invoice, select the client and dates, then click Submit and Generate. Make sure the address matches the billing address from the account settings. Click Create Final Invoice to finalize. In the invoice summary, you can approve the invoice by clicking the edit icon and changing the approval status to approved, then clicking Save. This approved invoice will appear in your list. You can also adjust the invoice status from due to paid or unpaid by entering the date and clicking Save. Download the invoice to check it on your device. Next, go to the Bookers section. Click Add New Booker to add a new booker or click the edit icon next to an existing booker to make changes. The delete icon also allows you to delete an booker if needed. In the Passengers section, you can click Add New Passenger to add a new passenger or edit existing passenger details by clicking the edit icon and saving changes. For address management, go to the address section where you can add, edit, or delete addresses. Check the address details on the address menu in the software system. To verify a newly added address, go to the dispatch system, click New Booking, select an account to allocate the job, and search for the added address. Lastly, in the Affiliate section, select Corporate Client from the Client menu. Click on the client and then Affiliate to view the affiliate list. To complete a booking, select the type of trip, enter the pickup address, and fill in the other details. Proceed to pay, and once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation. And that's a wrap. You've now learned how to manage corporate client accounts, invoices, bookers, passengers, addresses, and affiliates on Logistifie. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.